We are here at our first hotel at Ubud, Nyuh, Bali. And now we're just exploring the place because they haven't gotten our place ready yet.
You okay?
This coffee was literally the first thing I ordered since the time I landed. And this is the first time I'm seeing rice straws. Can we actually eat this? Let me try. I feel like I'm eating plastic. Instead of being so boring and always ordering cafe latte, for the first time I'm trying Ubud Bali coffee. And the taste is that I realized that the beans are less sour than the cafe latte ones. It's really smooth to taste. But the only thing is that I wish it comes with milk, because I really only have my coffee with milk. Thank you. Wow! Hey, where do we sleep at night?
I will show you.
You will show me?
Yes.
Okay.
Ta-da! Mama.
Where? You prepared a room for me? Oh. Oh, what is this? Is it a bath area for us later? It is to outside. Wow. Do you like the room, sweetie?